good morning, or maybe good afternoon, or good evening. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you tired? Or maybe bored? Alright, here we've got a new unit about plants. Can you see all the plants here on the picture? Alright, you will see more plants here. This is the typical courtyard of Cordoba. Alright, you can see a lot of plants. There are many plants. And I would like to ask you, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite color? Oh, really? Very interesting. Here we've got many colors. What color is this? This is red, reddish, maybe. What is this color? Pink. And what color is this plant here? Red. Alright, there are a lot of colors, even white here. But the majority of the picture, most of the picture is covered with the color green. Because plants and the leaves are green. Alright? Here we've got a typical plant. This is a daisy. Alright, this plant in English is daisy. And we have the parts of the plant. We're going to start from the bottom, alright? Here we have the root. Can you repeat root? Oh, very good. Roots. Here we've got them on the ground. Okay, this is on the ground with the minerals. These are the roots. And here we've got the leaves. Can you repeat? It's something like leaves. Leaves. Very good. So we've got roots. Oh, sorry. We've got roots. Very good. Leaves. Excellent. Here we've got stem. Stem. Fantastic. So we've got roots, leaves, stem, and finally we've got flower. Can you repeat flower? Flower. Very good pronunciation. So our number 1 is root, and number 2 is leaves, and number 3 is stem, and number 4 is flower. Amazing. So I want to compare the parts of a plant with the body parts. Do you remember the body parts? Body parts, your body. Very good. You remember them, right? So the roots are maybe very similar to the legs. All right? So here we've got that these are the roots of the boy. This boy is Timmy. Do you remember Timmy? The boy of the exam, of the horrible exam. This is Timmy. All right? So here he has his roots. Can you repeat roots? Oh, good pronunciation. You're pronouncing very much better every time you say it. So if it were a plant, these would be the roots. Here we've got some leaves. I'm going to take the color green to draw the leaves. All right. So here are the leaves. Here in the armpits, some more leaves. Okay. It's interesting, isn't it? So here we've got the leaves. And also the stem. If this is the stem, on Timmy, this would be the stem, the trunk, right? So this would be the stem. Let's see. So the roots, the leaves, and the stem. And what about the flower? The flower, where is the flower? I think the flower could be his head. Don't you think so? I'm gonna color this in yellow. And some petals all around. Oh, and here we've got a flower. Oh, Timmy. Timmy's a plant now. So with his roots, the leaves, the stem, and the flower. So Timmy is a flower, Timmy is a plant, Timmy is a daisy plant. Alright? Okay, now we're going to see some roots, leaves, stem, and flowers that are somehow curious. Let's see. Here we've got some roots. Oh, they are very curious, very interesting. Did you know that our carrot, yum yum, yummy carrot, is a root? Wow, that's amazing. Look at these radishes. The radishes are roots as well. Did you know? You're eating root. So you go to the kitchen, you take a carrot, you eat it, and it is a root. You're eating a root. And when you eat a radish, you're eating a root. Wow, it's really interesting. So you're eating a root. Oh dear. And look at the stems. Do you remember the stems of a plant? If you want to eat a stem, you can eat asparagus. Alright, asparaguses are stem. Okay, there are stems. And look at these bamboo stems. Bamboo. It is very difficult for a person to eat a bamboo stem, but look at this panda bear. They love eating bamboo. Yum, yum, yum. Panda bears love eating bamboo. And these are stem. Alright, so we've got the roots, stem, and the leaves. Look at the leaves, remember? Do you remember the leaves of a plant? So here we've got some interesting leaves. We've got a palm tree leaf. Very curious. A lettuce with a lot of leaves. One leaf, two leaves. A lot of leaves in a lettuce or on a lettuce. And here in a cactus, you have these leaves. These prickles are leaves. Did you know? This is a very special leaf. It is not green, not color green. They are brown and they're leaves as well. And finally, this flower. Can you see these three flowers? The rose flowers, the carnation flower, very beautiful rose and carnation. And look, this cauliflower is a flower, and you eat it, yum yum yum, and it's a flower. Do you think it is a flower? So yes, it's a special flower. Very interesting, isn't it? And now we've got some fruits. The plants make fruit. They give us fruit, all right? For example, this orange is a fruit, and these olives are fruit as well. Let's see here. Let's play this little game about the parts of a plant. This is a strawberry plant. All right? For example, where do we have to place the root? Here? No. Are these the root? No. And what about this? Yes, fantastic. These are the roots. Well done. I'm going to take it. Very good. And what about for example, the flower? Is it a flower? I think not. Is this a flower? It is color red, but it's not a flower. What about this? No, it's not a flower. So maybe this is a flower, isn't it? Yes, fantastic. I'm going to tick it. Tick it. And let's look for the stem. Where do we place the stem? Here? Oh yes, this is the stem. Very good. Now, can you help me? What about the leaves? Are they the leaves? No. And this? Yes, these green things are the leaves. So we tick it. Tick. And finally, where is the fruit? Here, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good job. So the fruit is a strawberry. Yum yum. Tick. So if everything is okay, we draw a very big happy face with our favorite color. In my case, it's blue. And look at this botanical garden in Malaga. There are a lot of plants with the leaves. Here I can see a very big stem. This very big stem, it's called trunk. Okay, when it happens in a tree, it is called trunk. This stem is called a trunk, right? There are yellow leaves. There are green leaves all around. So if you want to go to Malaga, when you can go, you can visit this botanical garden. And maybe this is another opportunity to visit a botanical garden, but this is happening in Montreal in Canada. Look, it's fantastic, isn't it? But now it is time to germinate a plant. It is your turn. Do you want to have a plant in your house? Do you want to take a seed, a baby plant, and germinate it? Yes or no? Yes? So take a yogurt, eat it, and let's germinate a plant. And now it is the time for you to germinate your own plant. These are the materials you need. You need some lentils. Can you see the lentils? You can also get some chickpeas or beans or whatever. You need some cotton, cotton or cloth. If you don't have cotton, you can get some cloth. You can get some water, and you will also need a yogurt cup or a glass like this, a glass of water like this. And what is the first step? You just stick the cotton and you put it in to the yogurt cup. You can get the cotton or you can get the cloth, whatever you've got. Now you put some water in the yogurt cup, like this, just a little bit, not a lot. Oh. Can you see? It's just to get it wet, and you put some lentils in it, just like this. Just like this. I think we will need a little bit more of water. Not a lot, because the lentils are not fish and they cannot swim. And now it needs some sunlight, so let's leave it in the window. Here. And here you've got to wait for 2 or 3 days for it to start germinating. Bye bye, crocodile.